Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this video tutorial how to install Windows 10 by virtue of USB bootable flash pen drive. So see guys, here I have inserted one USB bootable flash pen drive. How to generate or how to create a USB bootable flash pen drive by using ISO file of Windows. If you would like to watch, then I will give you a link below the description box. Just click there to watch it. Within a 1 to 2 minutes, you will be able to generate or create USB bootable flash pen drive. Now see, before installation or before creating USB bootable flash pen drive, you must ensure partition disk style of your computer or device should be similar while you're creating or generating USB bootable flash pen drive from ISO file of Windows. So how you will check it out? Partition disk style, simply just you need to click on a Windows search bar, whatever operating system you are using on your Dell series. So just you need to type here disk. So it will give you link here, create and format hard disk partitions, or you can go by clicking disk management, no problem at all. Now see, it's your disk management. It's not more visible, so I would like to come here in a short. So let me have this ones clearly. Now see, just click on disk 0 options and click on a property, go on a volume. So see guys, here partition disk table is a GPT. This is a partition style. So it's of this computer. Now I will go on a USB bootable pen drive and I will click here and I will click on this property, similar partition disk. So now simply I will click here to restart. Now see guys, here it's restarting. When it will start to, when it will once again after power off, it will start, then I will click on here F12 button, this one. Now why it's so? Because see here guys, it's boot options. So you need to choose a boot options in each Dell laptop series. Now I will click on UEFI options and I will select my USB bootable flash pen drive and I will enter. So now see guys, here it has started to, now see, it has started to install. I will have to wait and watch. Here I would like to share one strategy video that might be very beneficial for all of my audience. Now see here, I will click on here to next. What are the format here? One is a guys, see, upper section is for language, second is a currency and time format, and third is a keyboard or input method. I will click on here next to install. Now it has started to install, but here we need to format. While we are going to format, there one strategy that if you would like to see here, I would like to click on this. I don't have a product key, so Now I will accept all the terms and conditions. I will go next. Now see here, custom install window, only advanced. Now I need to select a C drive. So which one is my C drive? Just we have to check it out. C drive. So it's my software. This is for songs and partition disk. This is it's for videos. So this one for. Now I would like to not format it. I would like to delete it. Why it's so? Firstly, let me format. Then I will show you why I will delete it. Now see guys here, if I directly install here after formatting, whatever the trial application we were using, that won't be valid. It will trust and you will get a message after installation that this trial software or application will not be valid or trial not will be functional because your trial validity has been expired. So in that situation, if you would like to use once again revalidated trial application on your laptops or computer, then simply just you need to click on here to delete it. So see, this partition might contain importance files, application from your computer manufactured. If you delete this program and data stored on it will be lost. No issues. Now see, I have deleted. Now once again I will have to generate this new partition disk. So where it is, this one unlocated, this file approximately, see guys, 165 GB. So I will click on this new and I will apply it. So now see guys here, once again it has started to partitioned. Now sorry, it's partitioned for. I will click on here to install it. So now see, it's saying the partition disk of installation are not in the recommended order. For additional information about installing 2GPT disk, go to the Microsoft website and etc etc. Do you want to protect installation? Yes. Now see guys, it has started to install, right? So this is a very easy to install, but you have to use some safety and precaution while installing it. A little mistake will give you blunder challenges while installing operating system in your laptop or PC. So now see, it has started to install and it will take a scarcely 20 minutes to complete absolute 100% or to complete full installations in this operating system. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Furthermore, any inquiry related to this video tutorial, then blindly add to inquiry below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query guys. If it is informative and acknowledgeable, then please ponder, like, share. This content might be beneficial for someone who are or willing to acquire such knowledge to install any operating system in any computer. So this is all about. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time guys.